Hi there, I'm Delina Rose with Cabin Organic. Thank you for joining me for this special video while I unbox a order from MayaHoney beads. I hope that is focusing, although I took a picture close up to show you. MayaHoney beads I discovered Katerina. Hi Katerina, if you're watching this. She is in Trnava, Slovakia. I hope I'm saying that right. And I ordered these beads about a month ago, and it only took about 3 weeks to get here. And that was really special because when I ordered them, when Katerina looked at the postal delivery times, it said it's going to take 2 months to get here. And it actually only took just under 3 weeks to get here. So that was fantastic, especially considering how far it had to travel. So Katerina, I love your stuff. And thank you for watching this video and discovering with me all of these special findings that I ordered from Katerina. And I hope if you have time, you will visit Katerina's site. And she also has a standalone shop. Also, as you saw on the card, MayaHoneyBeads.com. So please go and visit her. She's got a lot of other stuff besides what I've ordered. And as you'll see, as we unbox the order, I've got a theme going here, but I won't ruin the surprise. So stay with me as we unbox the MayaHoney order. And so here, as you can already see, I have taken all of the components out of the bag. When you order jewelry and findings, everything comes packaged in its own separate little bag. And that is so awesome because it keeps things clean, keeps things separate. But as you can imagine here at Cabin Organic, it creates a lot of waste. And so as much as possible, I keep these bags and I use them to store my finished pieces so that it keeps them clean and dust-free and keeps them from tarnishing while they're in inventory. So I want to start this unboxing. Once again, this order was from MayaHoney Beads. And MayaHoney is from Trnava, Slovakia. And if you are not familiar with Slovakia, it is bordered by Poland on the north, Ukraine to the east, Hungary to the south, and Austria to the southwest. And this order is arriving right on the 7th day that Russia has invaded Ukraine. So these pieces are really near and dear to my heart right now. I have Ukrainian heritage on my dad's side, and Slovakia is neighbors with Ukraine. And so these have traveled all that way and so close to the war action. But this is an unboxing video, so we will go forward here. And this is, I believe her name is Katerina. So if you're watching this, hi Katerina, I hope you are safe and well. And this is her business card, MayaHoneyBeads.com. That's her standalone shop. And she also has her Etsy store called MayaHoney. So, all right, so I want to show you everything that I've ordered here, and I will be posting, as usual, the prices that I've paid for each component. And then you're just gonna have to look on my store in the coming weeks to see what amazing jewelry I have been making with this. Now, the reason I got really excited about MayaHoney, as you can see, is a lot of these antique brass, turquoise brass components. And I'm going to be making a lot of turquoise jewelry with the beads that I ordered from Fire Mountain Gems, and I will put a link below to that unboxing video. I bought a boatload of beads last January, and now I need components to put it all together. And so a lot of what you see here are going to be accents in the jewelry that I make. So I'm going to just go down the list of my receipt, and then I can add the prices. So here we have 35mm long wavy links, and she just describes them as having a green patina. So these are going to be great for using in necklaces. You could make some funky earrings, just have it on a hook and then a crystal bead at the bottom. But I'm going to be using these in crazy chain necklaces. And so I got 2 packs of those, and they are listed here at $5.43. Next on my list are these connectors. It came as a pack of 6, and they're just called round earring connector ornament with filigree. Filigree means, you know, that you can filigree. I don't know the exact definition of filigree. I know anytime I see the word filigree, it means that it's got this see-through, lacy kind of quality. So these are going to be used as connectors in a necklace or a few necklaces, but you could also use these for earrings. And I paid for 1 pack of 6, $6.92. So this is actually quite pricey compared to other connectors, you know, that are just plain. But these are special, and these have a special finish on them. So I was willing to pay more. And this is a pack of 4. These are 15 millimeter copper metal round connectors, and again with that green patina. So these are going to be used as connectors in necklaces. Next are these green patina long tube bead connectors, and it comes in a pack of 2 for $4.69, and I bought 2 of these, obviously. I've been working with ribbon yarn, and so these will fit really beautifully over that ribbon yarn if I want to use it as a necklace cord. And yeah, so this isn't a bail, although I could wire wrap inside and hang something if I wanted to, but that's not my plan. I just want to put this on ribbon yarn with some other components. So once again, you got to check back and see what I'm doing. Next, I have these purple pink rondelle beads, and they're made out of ceramic. So, and they, you know, you can hear the way they sound. So they're not wooden, they are ceramic. And I call this type of bead he-she beads, Heishi, and I will be using them as he-she beads. So I bought this pack. It was on sale, regular price $3.63, and I got it on sale for $2.54. And one of the things I like to use he-she beads for is I make these paper tube beads, and I like to cap them with a he-she bead, and I've been capping them with black beads, but now I have these purple ones, and I also ordered them in the turquoise. And I also ordered, these are called cornflake round jewelry charms, and I love them. I absolutely love them. So these are just gonna dangle off of my crazy chain necklaces just randomly. So I just got a set of 4. It was $4.99 for a set of 4. And yeah, so just something really weird and wonderful. And then I also got these 12 millimeter round copper metal connectors. And so a set is $5.73. And these are a little larger than the ones I just showed you. So now I have 2 sizes to add some variation to my necklaces. Next are these long copper connector links, and I bought 2 sets. One set is $5.80, or it might be $5.80 for both. I'll have to check. But these will be great. Again, just connecting some components in a larger, more of a statement necklace. Next, I have these bead caps. I love working with bead caps. And these are 9 millimeter bead caps, so I do plan on using them on top of 8 millimeter beads. And I bought 2 sets. One set is $3.27. So again, love that green patina. You're gonna see some of that in some of my themed turquoise jewelry this spring and this summer. Okay, next I just got a couple of these. This was 2 pieces for $5.13. These are bales, and they're a heavier, clunky bale. So I can use this on ribbon yarn, or I can use this on chain, or I can use this on a couple of different thicknesses of leather or suede cording. So these are just big enough or small enough to use for a nice variety of cording. And so, as you know, from the bale, you would hang a dangle. You would hang a charm or a gemstone or some kind of pendant. So those were $5.13 for 2. And next I bought these green patina cone beads. And I thought these would be, I only have 2, and they were $5.95. And these will be great to, as an end point, you know, just before you reach the clasp, and if you've got some beads. And so, yeah, these will be really cool. So I only have 1 set of 2, so I can only make 1 necklace with this. So we're just gonna have to see. I might end up keeping that necklace for myself. And then I bought 2 of these rings, and rings are really fun to use just as a focal point in a necklace. So you would have your chain or your cording coming down here, and then you can dangle a variety of things from this ring. You can have 3 to 5 or even more different charms hanging from there, and it becomes a charm necklace. So that's what I'm planning on doing with these, is just making a couple of charm necklaces. So as I said, I bought 2 for $4.76. I also got these ceramic beads in the turquoise color. So these were $3.63 for this pack here, and I got 1 pack. So these are really fun to insert into your jewelry projects. They're a really unique shape and size because they're really flat. So they sandwich really well. Or, you know, you can even stack them in a bracelet or stack them in a necklace, and they look really pretty. Let's see if I can, you know, so like that, and then have, you know, another bead top and bottom to close that up. But it's just pretty and something unique. I also got this pack of Toho seed beads for $2.60. I don't want to open them up because these are going to go into my seed bead tray, organizer tray. But you can see that I've deliberately picked a color that just goes beautifully with these components. And that way when I'm finishing up a bracelet or a necklace or earrings, if I need to cap a project with just a tiny bead, I will have these on hand ready to go. And finally, I've got one more item to show you, and that is these feathers. I got 2 packs. So these were on sale. They were regular price $5.52, and I got them on sale for $3.86. And it comes in a pack of 2. So, or sorry, no, it comes, I got 2 packs. Oh, okay, it comes in a pack of 4 because I have 8. And I love feathers. I do a lot of jewelry design with feathers. So I thought if I want to add something, I will add these. So that is my entire order. I paid $113.21. That includes $8.93 for shipping. So the product total was $108.68. And like I said, it was pretty pricey, but some of the items I bought were on sale for 30% off. And this order was a splurge. This is going to be for some very special projects that I will be charging more for because they're going to be one-of-a-kind gemstone artisan style necklaces. So I don't mind charging a bit more and paying a little bit more for the components to make a one-of-a-kind piece. And now I've just put all of my new findings that I have unpacked and unboxed for you, and I have put them in this tray along with some other turquoise brass items that I had already collected. So now when I sit down to do a project and I want to look for anything that is in this color, I just need to come to this tray. I've got little spacer beads. I've got some bails, some charms, a couple rings, lots of connector pieces. So yeah, this is gonna keep it really simple for me. And I store that in my jewelry making studio. And the Hishi beads, or those rondelle beads, I've put in here. So there's the pink purple ones and there's the turquoise ones. And as you can see, I have a growing collection of Hishi beads. Some of these are polymer clay, and these ones here are wood. And you can tell up here, these ones are made out of shell. These ones are made out of bone, I think. I think these are antler or bone. And this one, I believe, is an actual gemstone. Yeah, it's jasper, black jasper. And I have some other Hishi beads that are amethyst, and I have rose quartz as well. But I have those in my amethyst and rose quartz tray at the moment. So these are all stored away, and now I am ready to make some jewelry. I hope you enjoyed that video. It is so much fun to watch other bead makers unbox their orders. I learn a lot and I get to shop around vicariously through them. So now you've seen what I've ordered, and hopefully you will come and visit the shop, Cabin Organic. Our website is www.cabinorganic.shop. Come and visit us in a couple of weeks to see what amazing things I have made with Katerina's jewelry findings. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe and like this video as a way of supporting small businesses like myself, and a way of letting me know that you would like to see more of this type of content. Thanks so much and have a great day.